I fell in love with ESP devices because they let me build real things around my home: automatic door entry, soil moisture systems, Bluetooth proxies, plant monitoring, and a bunch of little projects I probably forgot I even built. But the more I used Arduino Cloud, the more I needed protection from myself. I would paste code into the wrong sketch, overwrite something useful, and then wonder where the old version went. So I built Arduino Cloud Sentry, a secure, automated local backup system for my sketches. No hard-coded passwords, no manual zip downloads. Just my code, safely backed up on my own Linux Mint server. This is a new channel. I will appreciate a like or a subscribe if you find it helpful. GitHub link in the description box, and please tell me how I can make this better. The problem. Arduino Cloud is brilliant because it lets me work on my ESP projects from anywhere, but convenience created a problem. As my device list grew, so did the risk of losing track of sketches, overwriting good code, or not being able to find an older version. GitHub is powerful, but for me, it felt like I had to become a software engineer before I could go back to being a maker. I wanted the best of both worlds: cloud convenience with local control. The solution in action. This is what I wanted to protect: my devices, my code, and the real projects running around my home. These are not just test files. These sketches control actual ESP boards doing real jobs, so losing code was not just annoying, it could break something I depended on. The goal was simple: pull my Arduino Cloud sketches down automatically, organize them cleanly, and keep a local backup history. Now I can keep building and experimenting, but with a safety net. The infrastructure is simple. Arduino Cloud is where I build and manage the sketches. My Linux Mint server is where I protect them. The system creates a workspace, saves time-stamped backup archives, exports all the sketches, and keeps the project files organized. That means code, headers, configuration files, metadata, and anything I might need later. So when future me does something questionable, present me can go back into the archive, find the project, and restore what I need. Backup destinations. Now we get to my very professional data center, also known as my closet. Yes, the cable management is still in beta, maybe alpha, but it works. The first backup copy goes to my local backup drive on the Linux Mint file server. Then, another copy goes to Google Drive for redundancy. So I have one copy on my own hardware and another copy off the machine. Cron keeps everything running automatically because trusting myself to remember manual backups is exactly how this project started. The engine behind the magic. This is the engine behind the system. The Python script talks to Arduino Cloud, finds my sketches, downloads the project files, organizes everything, and prepares the backup. The big rule was no hard-coded passwords. Instead, it uses the native Linux Keyring, so secrets stay protected by the operating system. It handles sketch discovery, file retrieval, secret handling, metadata, and manifest creation. Basically, it does the heavy lifting quietly and automatically, so I can focus on building projects. The Sentry. The Sentry is the watcher. Its job is to check whether anything actually changed. I did not want the system creating endless duplicate backups just because cron ran again. So this script compares the current Arduino Cloud content against the last saved version. If nothing changed, it stays quiet. If something changed, it triggers a new archive. It also handles email alerts, heartbeat files, integrity checks, and the 30-day retention policy. Small folder, big job, the driver. The driver is the execution wrapper. The Python script is the engine. The Sentry watches for changes, and the driver sets the stage so everything runs properly. It prepares the environment, creates folders, timestamps the run, writes logs, updates heartbeat files, and packages the backup into a zip archive. It also helps Cron access the Linux Keyring safely without hard-coded passwords. This is the script that turns separate pieces into a reliable system. Small script, big responsibility. So that is the full journey. From Arduino Cloud, to my local Linux Mint server, to backup drive, to Google Drive. I built this because I wanted a simple way to protect my Arduino Cloud sketches without turning my maker hobby into a full software engineering workflow. It is not the fanciest system. My cable management definitely needs therapy. But it works, it is automated, and it protects my code. If you are a developer, Linux person, or fellow maker, I would love your feedback. The journey continues. Please subscribe if you found this helpful.